Well, at least there are some companies out there that are honest about it. This is the Matrix and S&T Sportsline M4, priced at $112. This is my first airsoft rifle. The performance is alright, and the rate of fire is surprisingly high despite having 18:1 gears and a terrible motor. But you have to remember, this gun is $112, so that price tag has to shine somewhere.
Oh shoot. Ah, hit!
Did you see it? Not only did I lose my ability to reproduce, but the entire outer barrel assembly fell straight off of the gun.
Are you f***ing kidding me?